Wall Street's main indexes ended the week with gains on Friday, and the S&P 500 and Nasdaq closed at their highest levels since early 2022. Fueling that, a robust jobs report that lifted investor optimism about a soft landing for the economy. The Dow added more than 0.3%, while the S&P and Nasdaq each rose roughly 0.4. It was the sixth straight week of gains for the S&P, the index's longest weekly winning streak since November 2019. Friday's non-farm payrolls report from the Labor Department showed the economy added more jobs than expected in November. That led investors to shift bets about when the Federal Reserve would cut rates. The consensus now May instead of March. But what the market expects and what the data-dependent Fed actually does may not match up, says Tom Hanlon, National Investment Strategist at U.S. Bank Wealth Management.
The Fed meets next week. They conclude their meeting on Wednesday. We'll get a new revised outlook from what the Fed sees for interest rates. But that gap between what investors are looking for and the Fed is putting forth in terms of their expectations is the biggest driver for market volatility through the remainder of this year and into 2024.
Other data showed U.S. consumers felt inflation pressures easing, snapping 4 straight months of negative sentiment. In company news, shares of megacaps, Nvidia, and Meta platforms each gained nearly 2%, while Alphabet dipped 1.4%, giving up gains after an AI-led rally in the previous session. Honeywell shed 1.6% after the industrial firm said it would buy air conditioner maker Carrier Global's security business for over $4.9 billion. Carrier shares rose 4.5%. And Paramount Global soared 12% after reports of takeover interest in the media company. Peer Warner Brothers Discovery jumped 6%.